In support of our modeling and simulation lines of business, LSI operates a 60,000 square foot manufacturing and production facility in 2 hangars at our headquarters in Jacksonville, Florida. Core services include custom ground-up design, rapid prototyping, fabrication, American Welding Society or AWS certified welding, state-of-the-art machine shop, and an electrical shop that includes wire harness and circuit board design and manufacturing. We also have 2 OSHA certified paint booths with a capacity to paint an entire CH-47 Chinook helicopter, as well as other components. In this comprehensive facility, LSI craftsmen, engineers, and technicians design, manufacture, and build quality training devices that meet or exceed customer requirements at the lowest possible cost, with on-time or ahead-of-schedule delivery. The fact that we have our own metal fabrication gives us better control of quality and helps us ensure on-time deliveries. Our facility also provides additional research capacity and capabilities, leveraging the impressive skills and expertise of multifaceted craftsmen and AWS certified welders who bring depot, intermediate, and organizational level maintenance experience. To ensure efficiency, our facility is equipped with an enterprise resource planning or ERP system that allows LSI to track materials and job status in real time.